Alright, so this morning I received a very trustworthy email in my email inbox. In broken machine translated Dutch, it tells me I can earn 1700 euros per day through a new awesome trick of an automated trading bot. Seems legit, right?
Bruh.
Well, this is obviously a scam. I absolutely despise this low-life scum that is leeching on other people, so let's use some code
to destroy the scammer.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Let's dive straight into it and see how this scam works. Alright, so how this works. They first send you a bait email with just telling you can earn thousands of dollars per day by using this trick, or you won this grand prize. I don't know, there are so many variations. They just want you to click the shady link and then the scam continues on the website. So on the website itself you will find some kind of call to action with a form attached to it, basically just so they can get your name, your email, your phone number, etc., just so that they can contact you at a later time when the scam continues. So when they call you back, then basically part 2 of the scam happens. So in that part they will try to rob you from money in any kind of way. So they will tell you, send me money first, then I will send you so much money back, or do this, buy gift cards or whatever. They just do anything to rob you. And there are obviously still people who fall for this scam, because if there wasn't anyone who fell for this scam, then they wouldn't operate anymore. That's just the truth of how it works, right? So please people, general rule of thumb on the internet: never believe anything, never take anything for granted. If it's too good to be true, it is. So what we can do to help here is basically flood their database. We're gonna use code to send out a ridiculous amount of fake names, fake emails and fake phone numbers. Flooding their database with all kind of useless data so that the real data kind of disappears in that. And for this I'm gonna use my good old friend Python. So let's start. Alright, so what I did first was follow the link of the scam email into a private browser. So on the website itself I opened up the DevTools and did a fake sign up. Then checked for the post request to see with what kind of parameters we are working. So the most important parameters of the form are the first name, the last name, the phone number and the email. So we're gonna use a trick to kind of generate a random useless set of those combined. So what I did is I googled and found a list with the top 1000 most common names in the USA. So from that I just extracted 300 of them and put them in a text file. I did the same for the last name as well. Then I wrote some code that basically takes the list of first names and the list of last names and then generates a random pair of them. So I used the same technique for emails as well and for phone numbers as well, so they all get randomly generated. Alright, and then all what's left is running the script and enjoying the ride. So I love my job. Alright, that was it for today, guys. If you want to destroy some scammers yourself, the Python script is down in the description. And if you want to see me destroying some more scammers, please subscribe and give this video a like and a comment if you enjoyed it. And I hope to see you next time. Ciao!